The sounds that we are going to practice in this video is the sound B. Repeat after me. B. 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 B in bill. Again, bill. Bound. Again, bound. Buck. Again, buck. Bear. Again, bear. What other words have the initial sounds B? B in bleed. Beware. Again, beware. Beginner. Again, beginner. Blind. Again, blind. Bulb. Again, bulb. Autobiography. What other words have the middle sounds B? B in autobiography. Again, autobiography. Numb. Again, numb. Disturb. Again, disturb. Embarrass. Again, embarrass. Fabulous. Again, fabulous. Now let's practice phrases using this sound. Ready? Bride's bridal car. Again, bride's bridal car. Bunch of brave soldiers. Again, bunch of brave soldiers. Bouncing baby boy. Again, bouncing baby boy. Now let's practice sentences using this sound. That little girl has a nice braid. Again, that little girl has a nice braid. The young woman is brave. She walked alone in the forest. Again, the young woman is brave. She walked alone in the forest. The sounds we just practiced in this video is the sound B. Repeat after me. B. 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 Thank you for watching our practice, and thank you for listening